Good to see you guys again. Today I got some news, more news for you guys. It's about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, with it pumping and dumping. It's getting me pissed off. Really messed up what they're doing to investors, especially young investors that still don't understand the investment world. Also, I got good news about Berkshire Hathaway. They're killing the game. I got good news about them on their second quarter earnings. Stay tuned, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome to SimpleChew. I'm your host, Hank. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're into investment news, business development, and personal growth, I consider you to subscribe. And now we're gonna go over the two articles that I read on the Wall Street Journal. So the pumping and dumping of Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. So this is making me really mad because this is one of the oldest tricks on Wall Street with stocks, where there's a couple of groups that are manipulating prices of a stock, and then they're making a lot of noise about it, and then they're making a lot of speculators and herds mentality investors to invest in this company, pumping the price of this company, and then these special groups are selling it on top and leaving if you caught, depending on what size, you are left with the losses, and then they just continue move to the next company and do the same thing. So there's been around 12 investment groups, trading groups that they're pumping Bitcoins, and around 127 other cryptocurrencies that they're pumping, making a lot of noise, making all these young investors invest, and then they're selling on the peak, and then once that thing crashes, that's it. The young investors or any kind of speculator lost all their money. It's making me mad because it's not right for this kind of schemes for people. But I'm over here just letting you know that that's what's going on with Bitcoin, and be careful with that stuff. Any cryptocurrency that we saw that with that the pump of 9,000 a week ago, actually it was around 6,000 and then bumped to 9,000, and a lot of people bought. Now it's back to 7,000. So just be careful. I just wanted you guys to know that all this pumping of cryptocurrency has jumped to around 823 million dollars. All these pumping of cryptocurrency. So you just need to be careful because it's a bubble, is just fake money at the end of the day. Second article is about Berkshire Hathaway. The second quarter earnings, net income, it went up $12 billion. Yes, super excited. One of my favorite companies that I invest in. It's almost like a savings account to me. I just put money there and forget about it. So how they get here? Well, two reasons. The first reason is they underwrote a lot of their insurance policies, which is great. And the second one is their accounting rules changed. So now all companies that have investments, they have to recognize unrealized gains or losses. So that's good and bad, but this time it worked for Berkshire Hathaway. They need to be careful for the next quarter if stocks, because most of their investments are in stocks, and they change prices frequently. So that could be bad news for us as investors who invest in that on Warren Buffett. But we take it for the second quarter, 12 billion net income. Excellent, unbelievable. Their stock jumped in the last couple of weeks about 7%. Amazing. Is up about 17%. So it's been a great investment if you invested with Warren Buffett. Just we need to keep a look on that new accounting rules. I don't like when they change accounting rules. Anything when they start changing accounting, things get fuzzy, accounting's been around for 100 years. It's the same process, the same thing. And once they start changing it, things get sticky, things get nasty, and I don't like it. But for now, we're happy. Hopefully, they can continue with the net income growth. Don't forget, guys, to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Real Simple Chew. Also, I have an IGTV where I have some daily motivations. I suggest you guys to check them out.